This is an area view of Centenary City, Enugu. Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's your real estate friend Chinoso Freddy, and today I want to show you how Centenary City, Enugu looks like from the sky. So Centenary City was launched in 2009. It's along the Enugu Port Harcourt Express Road, and it houses a lot of estate. This is one of the well-planned city right here in the city of Enugu that development is still ongoing. Now, to get land in this location, currently starting from the range of 50 million naira and above. So when Centenary City was launched, by that time land in this location starts from the range of 10 million naira, even 12 million naira. But currently now, to get a land in Centenary City starts from the range of 50, 60 to 120 million. This is one of the most luxurious location right here in the city of Enugu along the Enugu Port Harcourt Express Road. So if you are looking for where you can actually buy and build and have security, comfort with your family as a Nigerian that based in diaspora or in Nigeria that based home, and you're looking for the best location right here in the city of Enugu, and Centenary City is one of the top location well rated in the city of Enugu, and it is secure and safe for investment. And we have property in this location starting from the range of 65 million naira up to 70 million naira. If you want to own a land or a plot in Centenary City, all you have to do is to call or WhatsApp me on the number displayed on your screen. And this is another location to buy in Enugu. So enjoy this video and let me know on the comment section how you see Centenary City in 2026. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, all I want you to do is to like, subscribe and share this video, and let me know your own point of view of Centenary City, and let me know where you are watching this video from. I am Freddy Chino, so make sure you watch this video to the end. And if you want to buy a land or a house in this location, reach out to me on the number displayed on your screen.